In rural Texas classrooms, EcoRise educators are helping middle school students tackle real-world environmental challenges through hands-on, place-based learning. With access to professional development and engaging curriculum, teachers like Nelda are guiding students to build STEM and leadership skills that are benefiting their communities.
What do you enjoy the most about learning outside versus learning inside?
Oh, well, the thing I love most about learning outside is that I have more room to move around instead of having to sit in a desk all day. And it's easier so I can learn about stuff outside than rather me learning it on the screen.
Thanks to support from All Points North Foundation, more than 90 teachers and 5,000 students have participated this school year, receiving over $5,000 in student innovation grant funds. Student-led projects from harnessing solar energy to growing produce for the school cafeteria are proving that age is no barrier to making a difference. Together, EcoRise and our supporters are growing a movement for environmental education in resilient communities, activating the next generation to protect what matters most.